Gentlemen, when it comes to style hacks, some hacks are cool, some are practical, but some will change your life. Today, gentlemen, I've teamed up with Dr. Scholls to go over 6 life-changing style hacks. In every man's style journey, there come moments of great enlightenment. It's like you're going along, you're dressing, you're looking sharp, but then all of a sudden you discover something or you try something, and all of a sudden everything gets better. These 6 tips and tricks were my aha moments, and I'm excited because they changed my life, and they're definitely going to change yours. Number 1. Custom dress shirts. Gentlemen, the moment I discovered that you could go online and build a profile based on my body, order a shirt, get it, and it actually fit me, put it on, I wanted to run around the streets. I wanted to wear that thing all the time, because for the first time in my life, I was not having to buy a small or a medium and have a bunch of fabric in my waist. The arms weren't super long. It was the first time I felt like I was wearing clothing that fit. A custom shirt will change your life. So will number 2. Stretch denim. Stretch denim has changed my life. I used to wear big and baggy pants, but then I discovered, hey, slim fit pants made me look better. And so I tried them. I'm like, they're not really that comfortable because I got a little junk in the trunk. I've also got bigger thighs because I work out and I squat. And so they were never super comfortable. But that moment I saw stretch, I thought, let me try it. My goodness, it was like my world was rocked. All of a sudden, I had the incredible illusion of wearing slim fit pants with the relaxation and comfort of spandex. Gentlemen, invest in some stretch denim. It will change your life. Third style hack is a comfort style hack that I discovered years ago. All right, I'm an active dude. I'm always on my feet. I'm always on the go. And my feet would kill me at the end of the day, right? I'd find this super sexy pair of like double monk straps or some sweet ass loafers. 2 hours into my day, my feet would be killing me. And then I was like, hey, I wonder, instead of throwing out these old running shoes, if I took the inserts, bang, and put them inside of my dress shoe. And this was something that I rocked for an incredibly long time. Like, they're literally in all of my dress shoes. But there's a problem with this. They smell bad, they look rough, and to be completely honest, they're sort of worn out by the time you put them in your shoes. But recently, I've upgraded, and my feet have never felt better. Gentlemen, the Dr. Scholls custom contour inserts are amazing. So I haven't been this excited to tell you about a product in a super long time. Here's the deal. These inserts are custom to me and my feet. The way that it works, Dr. Scholls has created an app. They've got some like super new technology that basically maps your feet at like 400 points. So easy, and it was so much fun. I'm actually jealous that you get to do it for the first time. All you're gonna need to do, there's a link down below to go download the Dr. Scholls app, and then all you need is a smartphone and a sheet of paper. Once you download the app, you open it, and then it walks you through step by step with video showing you exactly how to take pictures. It basically requires you to take 4 pictures of your feet. And actually, let me just show you. Just 4 photos. This app is going to digitally map your feet for incredible support and comfort. All you're gonna need is that sheet of paper. You're gonna take off your shoes, you're going to roll up your pants so that you expose those beautiful feet of yours, and then it's time to get down to business.
Now make sure your right foot and at least 3 corners of the paper is in the frame. Place your left foot on top of the paper. Now make sure your left foot and at least 3 corners of the paper is in the frame. Place your phone on the ground and tilt it against the wall. Step into the camera view with your right foot so that your arch is facing the camera. Make sure your entire right foot, heel to toe, is within the frame. We see your foot. Hold still while we take the photo. Great job. Now switch sides. We see your foot. Hold still while we take the photo. 3, 2, 1.
Once your pictures are taken, then it's time to build your inserts. You get to choose like the fabric. You also pick whether or not you want full length or 3/4. Then in 2 weeks, boom, they arrive at your door. Guys, I'm here to tell you, these things are incredible. AaronMarino, check it. What exactly? Pop them in right there. These inserts are life-changing. Guys, link below. Go download the Dr. Scholl's app today. It is so much fun just to build your profile. Go and do it. And then there's a discount code. Enter the code AlphaM1 to get $10 off your entire order. But time and supplies are limited, so go do it today. The fourth style hack that has single-handedly changed my style and my life and made it a whole lot easier to coordinate and combine difficult items is using Google image search. Guys, one of the issues that I've had, and I'm sure you've probably faced, is that you'll get something, maybe it's a cool pair of red chinos or something a little bit outside of the box, and you're not exactly sure what to wear it with or how to combine it. And then I Google search that item, like red chinos, and then I look at the images. And what you're going to find is a lot of images of the item, but you're also going to see images of people wearing those items. It's a great way to get inspiration and match and coordinate items. The fifth style hack that changed my life was learning how to coordinate patterns. Wearing different patterns is something that a lot of guys get totally freaked out about. But once you learn to do it, once you understand pattern matching basics, like the world opens up, and it is something that is going to change your life and your style for the better. Once you learn the basics and the fundamentals to pattern matching, it is like a superpower. All other dudes are too scared to combine different patterns because they don't know how to do it. It's not hard, it's not difficult. Learn to do it. It will change your life. And so will number 6, find a tailor. I don't have an off-the-rack body. Do you? No, of course not. Most of us don't. We've got areas that need to be pinched and tucked and tweaked in order to have those garments fit us incredibly, like a glove. And the only way you're going to do that is find a tailor. And that's it, gentlemen. 6 style hacks that have personally changed my life. Execute them, implement them, because they will change yours.